Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Cadillac Escalade, a name that's already synonymous with luxury, power, and bold American design, but this latest generation raises the bar even higher. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Escalade is even more commanding than before. Cadillac has sharpened the lines, added a wider stance, and updated the iconic grille with a more modern, layered lighting signature. The LED headlights are slimmer but more powerful, giving the front end a futuristic yet aggressive look. Around back, the vertical taillights are still a signature move, but now they're even sleeker and more detailed. New wheel designs up to 24 inches give the Escalade a planted, muscular presence, whether it's cruising down the boulevard or standing still. You can also customize the look with several new paint options and blacked-out trims that make the Escalade feel more personal and exclusive. Inside, Cadillac has gone all in on cutting-edge luxury. The first thing that hits you is the massive, curved OLED display. It stretches over 40 inches across the dashboard, seamlessly blending the digital gauge cluster, infotainment system, and a passenger display. Materials are nothing short of top shelf. Think real wood, hand-stitched leather, and brushed aluminum everywhere you look and touch. Even the third row gets real attention to comfort, something a lot of SUVs still don't get right. Ambient lighting, massaging seats, and an available 36-speaker AKG studio reference sound system transform the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Technology is front and center too, with Cadillac's latest Super Cruise hands-free driving system, augmented reality navigation, and full 5G connectivity for all passengers. Every inch of the interior feels thoughtfully crafted, blending old-school luxury with cutting-edge innovation. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Escalade offers a variety of options to suit different driving styles. The standard model still carries a 6.2-liter V8, but now it's been fine-tuned for better efficiency without sacrificing that unmistakable muscle car rumble. There's also a refined 3.0-liter Duramax diesel for those who want maximum torque and long-distance cruising range. And for the adrenaline seekers, Cadillac offers the Escalade V, now pushing out even more horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 in just about 4.3 seconds, numbers that would embarrass some sports cars. Ride quality is smooth yet confident, thanks to the updated magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension, allowing you to glide over bumps or carve through corners with surprising poise for something this big. As for pricing, the 2026 Escalade starts around $84,000 for the base luxury trim and can climb well over $120,000 if you fully load a Platinum or a high-performance V model. It's definitely an investment, but Cadillac has made sure you're getting a true flagship experience, something that feels worth every penny, especially if you crave a full-size SUV that does it all with style, power, and serious presence. That's it for the 2026 Cadillac Escalade, a masterclass in modern American luxury. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what you think of the new Escalade. Would you pick it over the competition? Let's talk about it.